In this video, I'll guide you through how to permanently close your Coinbase account. If you no longer want to use Coinbase or you are moving to another crypto platform, you may want to completely remove your account. Before closing your account, there are a few important things to take care of to make sure the process goes smoothly. First, open Coinbase and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you need to check is your account balance. Before you can permanently close your Coinbase account, your balance must be completely empty. This means you cannot have any cryptocurrency stored in your Coinbase wallet, and you cannot have any remaining cash balance in your account. If you still have crypto, you will need to transfer it to another external wallet or sell it through Coinbase. After selling, make sure the funds are moved from your cash balance into your connected bank account. Once your Coinbase account has a zero balance, you can continue with the account closure process. From the Coinbase dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with different account options. From this menu, click on the option to manage your account or manage your profile settings. After opening this section, you will see different account management options. Make sure you are viewing your profile settings. Inside the profile section, look for the account closure option. Select the option to close your account, and Coinbase will show you the account closing page. Before continuing, Coinbase will remind you that your account balance needs to be zero before the account can be permanently closed. If you have already removed all funds and your balance is empty, you can continue by clicking the red Close Account button. After confirming this action, your Coinbase account closure process will begin. Keep in mind that permanently closing an account is different from simply logging out or uninstalling the app. Once the account is closed, you will no longer be able to access it as before, so make sure you have saved any information you may need before completing the process. And that's how you permanently close a Coinbase account. By making sure your balance is empty and following the account management steps, you can complete the process directly from your Coinbase dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.